Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Toyota RAV4 vs Ford Explorer full comparison. Follow along as I break down performance, interior space, fuel economy, safety features, and ownership costs in a friendly, clear way. I'll point out practical pros and cons for commuters, families, and adventure seekers. Expect short comparisons, useful numbers, and honest impressions to help you pick the right SUV without drowning in specs. Let's look at performance and economy with a friendly tone that's easy to follow. I'll compare engine options, tuning, and how each SUV feels at city speeds and on highways. Expect explanations of fuel economy differences and what they mean for your wallet during daily driving and road trips. I'll also touch on towing capability, transmission behavior, and hybrid benefits to make trade-offs simple and practical. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation. I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that save time and reduce spills, and they pair nicely with weekend gear organization. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them if interested. I appreciate your support, and now let's get back to the video. Now we'll compare space and safety in a warm, conversational way that fits text-to-speech. I'll describe passenger room, cargo flexibility, and seating layouts so you can picture family trips and gear hauling. We'll cover safety tech, driver assists, and crash protection features that matter most in daily use. I'll also mention comfort, visibility, and convenience items that influence long drives and everyday usability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.